In this video, we'll show you how to install a quantum pixel lock. After the door is prepared, the first step of this installation is to install the lower mortise. Pre-drill number 12 screw pilot holes for the lower mortise. Insert the mortise into the lower pocket. Route the cable harness along the wire channel that connects the top and bottom mortise pockets. Secure the mortise with two number 12 flathead screws. Make sure the wire harness is free and not pinched. To install the controller assembly, lift the controller to the top of the pocket and center it horizontally to mark the pilot hole locations based on the case mounting holes. Pre-drill number 12 screw pilot holes and ensure that they are centered for proper faceplate alignment. Lift and center the assembly to ensure proper alignment. Slide the tray out partially from the controller to ensure the tabs are not bent when securing the number 12 screws. Use number 12 pan head screws to secure the assembly. Slide the tray out part way to ensure all connections are secure. Connect the harness from the mortise and the controller together. Do not seat the slide tray in the door. To install the reader assembly, remove the antenna from the antenna base by removing the number 4 pan head mounting screw. Align the reader base to the 6-pin antenna socket with the orientation arrow facing up. Ensure the base is level and the mounting holes are horizontal. Mark the hole centers using the center punch to ensure alignment is maintained. Drill a small pilot hole with a short depth to aid in securing the screws. A short depth is required so the controller case is not drilled into and damaged. Use number 6 flathead screws to secure the reader base to the outside of the door. Next, plug the antenna in to the 6-pin socket. Align the pins in the upper opening. Insert the antenna PCB by sliding the pins into the socket. Remount the antenna to the antenna base with the number 4 pan head mounting screw. Make sure the battery is oriented with the label down and the connection wire is tucked under the spring clip. To power the lock for the first time, connect the battery to the printed circuit board. The green LED should flash 4 times. Present a valid key card to the reader. The red and green LEDs will flash and the motor will activate. Seat the tray into the controller and be very careful not to pinch any of the wires. Place the outside lever rose assembly on the outside of the door. Next, place the inside lever rose assembly on the inside of the door. Secure the outside rose assembly using the included shoulder screws. Carefully slide the escutcheon over the lever and ensure the removal notch is aligned below the lever set for concealment. Next, you will install the thumb turn, if it's supplied. Start by aligning the base so that it's centered over the mortise cam, not the hole in the door. Mark the hole centers using a center punch to ensure alignment is maintained. Drill a small pilot hole with a short depth and secure the base to the door with the two number 6 by 1/2 inch flat screws. Align the turn piece onto the base so it's at 12 and 6 o'clock. Install the turnpiece onto the base by screwing the collar on clockwise until it's tight, torque secure the collar with a spanner wrench. Check the thumb turn for smooth operation, ensuring no drag or binding occurs. If binding occurs, verify base alignment with the Mortise cam. Use number 8 flathead screws to install the lower Mortise faceplate. Install the upper controller assembly faceplate with number 8 flathead screws. Ensure the controller harness does not become pinched when securing the faceplates. To test the lock functionality for the first time, present a valid opening key to the reader. Ensure the lock unlatches, lever turns freely, and the lock relatches. Use a dormakaba HH6 to program the lock to the desired room number. To install the reader cover, locate the release hole at 5 o'clock. Place the lens onto the base and rotate it clockwise to secure at 6 o'clock. The locking tab will click when the cover is fully seated and secure. The final lock test requires that you present a valid opening key to the reader. Ensure the green LED on the reader flashes 8 times. Lock unlatches, lever turns freely, and the lock relatches. With the door open, throw the deadbolt and activate the privacy latch. Present a valid opening key to the reader. Ensure the yellow LED flashes 12 times. Rotate the inside lever to retract the deadbolt and thumb turn. Ensure the inside lever retracts smoothly. To remove the reader cover, insert the cover removal tool through the release hole at the bottom to unlock the locking tab. Rotate the reader cover counterclockwise while maintaining upward pressure on the locking tab. Attach the cover removal tool to the HH6 programming cable or keychain so that it's not lost. This concludes the installation process for the Quantum Pixel Lock. For customer service, contact dormakaba.